What's up YouTube, this is Lance from Lance's Auto Vlog, and I'm back on the new video. Hey, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe after this video. What we got is this beautiful yellow Chevy Belair, and it's just basically a deadening job, nothing complicated. Deadening, and then we also have to go through the audio package and double check some settings and make sure we get the system dialed in correctly. But we got to pull a lot of things apart. But it's a nice little yellow 57 Belair, and like I say, we got to take everything out of the trunk, get it all wiped off, and layer it with deadening material. So stay tuned. A couple things we're going to use to clean this rear area. Get a couple towels, rubbing alcohol. I should say things we're going to need. We're going to use this roller. And the heat's not going to be crazy. Then we're going to use some Hushmat. Hopefully, if I go to a box, maybe a box and a half. But this is a half a box, so we'll find out. All right, stay tuned. Super fast YouTube mode.
Wave, look, why you mad? Get to the bag. Long face, duck a case, get the cash. I've been living fast, still far from average. Real talk, all this shit is right outside what I imagine. Young, black and raspy, catch me with a lab. Young nigga make the slap that make her body do magic. Won't stop till my bank account magnets. Looking like I'm still running paper routes backwards. Money bags, no advance, snap back like a rubber band. Pretty thing with a suntan, make it bounce back when she do the dance. Caught my song, we supposed to pick. See your things through a different lens. Living fast, only one chance. Never pants, how we do the plans. Right? I practice what I preach. They lie or put around my way, then get lost to see.
So I deadened all the back of this whole quarter panel and put this panel back in. Then we gotta basically make that back panel. Probably carpet. On to the next part. So after a couple hours of work, we got the back panel deadened, floor deadened, everything deadened back here in this 57 Belair, and then we actually made a back panel for the customer because he wanted it blocked off, so we had to make a panel back there. And this Belair is a wrap. Actually sounds really good too. We had to adjust the amp as well. But nothing complicated.